Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of March, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.4. Now, let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time. Surprisingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 1.38%. This results in an average return of 0.15% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 6.88% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -9.66% to +2.09%. In terms of the longer view, our 12-month analysis forecasts an 18.94% change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 16.66% and 35.72% over the next year. Translated into current figures, this would position the future price between $559.11 and $650.43. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for QQQ. The QQQ ETF price decreased by approximately 0.339% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, dropping from $480.89 to $479.26. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.76%, ranging from a low of $476.18 to a high of $484.54. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.83% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also declined on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with the ETF's performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 36 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $17.24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 11.38%, or $61.54, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust ETF, a prominent player in the tech sector, has recently faced some volatility, reflecting broader market uncertainties. As of the 20th of March, 2025, QQQ has shown strong gains in the past week, closing in the green amid macroeconomic fluctuations and trade policy concerns that are significantly impacting tech stocks. Notably, the QQQ's higher valuation compared to competitors in the Chinese market is supported by its superior return on equity, emphasizing its profitability amid stiff competition. However, analysts warn that the market may be underestimating the risks of a hard landing, which could negatively impact QQQ's valuation. The ETF's historical valuation risks remain elevated, leaving it vulnerable if macro conditions worsen. Furthermore, while the allure of artificial intelligence stocks has driven interest, early 2025 has seen a struggle for these equities, suggesting that investors should be cautious. In the short term, these mixed signals can lead to stock price fluctuations as investors weigh growth potential against macroeconomic risks. Long term, the continued advancement in artificial intelligence and technology may provide robust returns, but the inherent risks necessitate careful monitoring. As the market navigates these challenges, the performance of QQQ will largely depend on how macroeconomic factors evolve and whether underlying technology companies can sustain their growth trajectories. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QQQ a negative rating with a hold recommendation. The following signals have been identified for the QQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 2.33%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may influence the near-term developments. The QQQ ETF currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the ETF, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should further gains occur, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $508.17. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $477.48. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative indication. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 8 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $472.73. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with substantial trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $8.36 between its high and low, representing 1.76%. In the past week, the fund's daily average volatility was 1.74%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $488.20. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $472.73. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund and have not established any stop-loss measures. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, QQQ displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. After evaluating the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of March, we anticipate QQQ will open higher by approximately 73 cents, starting at a price of $479.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree, or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.